What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My hair looks absolutely fantastic. Welcome to episode 1 of the monthly retros. I've waffled back and forth for a while about posting some of these stuff, but posting some of this information. But I think it's great for accountability to have every month just a review of everything I do to recap the month in the design agency, on social media, in the business, everything I'm tracking, revenue, clients, statistics, social media stats, goals. Quick little wrap up, and may or may not post it to YouTube, but we'll see. We'll see. Um, we just are now heading into August 1st. I started the business full time in February 1st, so this is the 6th month of business. And this is again my monthly habit of reviewing all the statistics that I'm getting into, and I want to share that process with you guys. So you guys are curious to see the leads funnel, finances, transactions, biggest projects, revenue. I'm getting ready to really take my pants off and show you guys everything. And I'm also very tired, but we're going to make this happen. So without further ado, stay tuned for monthly retro number 1, July 2024. Okay, so first thing I'm going to touch on briefly is my client kind of pipeline. And I have a couple sort of general ones like this. But if we look at everything here in July, these are all of the actual meetings I had with potential clients. So if we look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are all, I've kind of judged these as the at-bats. And I have a lot of meetings outside of this, but these are very these are actually business oriented meetings, if that makes sense. So these could actually turn into projects once I'm actively trying to pursue and turn into projects. And we have 11 of those in progress right now. It means I'm either proposing for them or we're building the site right now. And these are all new projects. So Craig technically today, which is the first of the next month. But these could also turn into the sites. 2 of these are marketing more oriented, but still projects nonetheless. So a lot on the horizon. This is really good. You always want to have stuff on deck. So that's kind of what we have to look forward to. All this in the past. When we get into the finance side of things, we had 4 paying clients, 3 active clients that actually paid and had dues this month. Unique. 3 total transactions. Largest transaction was $16.25. That was a deposit for the Marysville site. Average transaction of $1131.87, and total income of $33.95. On the expense side of things, we had $300. This was primarily software, tools, and also Notion is the software and tool. But also, I paid for a YouTube consultation with a coach. So that was kind of it. And also paid for a logo design, a bit of a branding element for the business as well. So that came out of that, around where we want to be. But we ran profitable this month in terms of the business. And these are some of the projects we have in process. I have an invoice to send. I sent 2 invoices today on the first of the month. Both of these to repeat clients. We're still owed for 2 of these clients. So hopefully collecting on those next month to keep the revenue coming in. That should be all kind of for Notions. These are all random posts. But the next thing I want to go over is clients. So these were all the paying clients. Only 3 this month. Thankfully, they were enough to kind of meet our minimum threshold. My goal for income every month is $4,000. We did not quite reach that this month, unfortunately. I came up short, but we need to get more clients paying every month. And I've been doing a lot better job of following up. Something to be more consistent with following up, really putting the action thresholds into place for making sure people pay on time, and also making sure we have a lot of projects running. Which next month we're looking a lot better on this front. So I'm grateful for that. But these are the transactions for this month. Like I said, Total income was 33. What was it? It was hang on. Monthly retro. Total income was $33.95, so coming up short. Better than last month. Last month was really rough, but we're recovering this month, and we're getting the steps in place to start making our goals happen consistently. So that's month number 6, but then month number 1 that I'm doing this retro. Next thing I want to touch on is the social media statistics and trending. So I just started doing these reviews in this spreadsheet. I'm not sure if I love it yet, but this is what I want to continue to be more consistent with, is this one right here. So yeah, we have in this month upcoming, in July we had 9 Facebook posts, 21 Instagram posts, 25 LinkedIn posts, 13 Twitter posts, and 10 YouTube posts, exceeding our goals in all of them. So we've been doing good on being consistent with content. For the next month of August ahead, I've pretty much doubled each of these goals, which is pretty exciting and also nerve-wracking, because Liam has been helping me a lot with being consistent on all of our platforms and reposting. We use Metricool. It's been helping a lot. So those are my goals and results of posting. We've been really consistent there. As far as impressions, we had 9 Facebook impressions, 3,500 Instagram impressions, almost 20K LinkedIn impressions, 110 Google My Business impressions, 217 Twitter impressions, and almost 1,300 YouTube impressions. So yeah, starting to do better on this front. We're not very active on Facebook, as you can tell. We have been we changed through posting through the page and not my personal profile. So my personal profile has about 1.5K, but we're still in the process of going through. I haven't actually even started it yet, of going through my personal page and recommending to follow the business page. So that's something in the works. Next up is the audience. So we have 9 on Facebook, 1,500 on Instagram, 1,174 on LinkedIn, 60 on Twitter, and 56 on YouTube. And the goals for August are to improve that to 100 Facebook followers. It's probably going to be more than that after we grow that audience to the recommended follows. Basically redirecting people from my personal page to my business page and MMG design. On the audience on LinkedIn, I want to get that to 1,600. Going to do better at spending more time on there, engaging, and actually commenting on posts, being more active, posting a daily story, stuff like this. I'm really going to be ambitious on LinkedIn this month and try to get to 1,400. So I have a ton of connects in my leads database, which I'll show you guys right now. So right now we have a lot of leads that we've sourced that I'm going to go through and reach out to. So if I go to, then these are all of the leads I have yet to connect with. So how do I get rid of this thing? Criminy. No, right here. Okay. So these are the ones in green are the ones I still have to send messages to. And these are kind of another pipeline for prospecting. So this is the cold outreach I do. So I have these many to kind of go through right now. Adding to this every day, sending it out, and just sending a personal message to all these people. So hoping to get to 1,200 this month, following up with these people. And so that's what we have in the pipeline as far as outbound on LinkedIn. So I'm really cautious and hopeful that one will turn into more LinkedIn followers and connections. But wrapping up the social media side of things, 200 audience on Twitter and 75 on YouTube. We're being consistent on YouTube now, uploading weekly. I've been really driving that nail home, and it's been the results from that have been pretty good. So I'm excited to be more consistent with that.